Good morning everyone. Today our topic is complex numbers. In 10th class we studied about the number system. Whole number system we studied in a 10th class, that is the natural number. First of all we have natural numbers. So what are the natural number? Those number which exist in nature by default. So what are the natural number? Those number which by default exist in nature. So these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. These are the natural number. And next number is a whole number. So what are the whole numbers? When 0 is added to the natural number. When 0 is added to the natural number is called the whole number. And next integers. What are the integers? Are those numbers which lies from plus infinity to minus infinity are called the integers. And next one are the rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? Any number that is in the form of p upon q and q does not equal to 0 are called the rational numbers. So this is the basic definition. And next one is the real number. So what are the real number? A real number is a complete number system. Whatever we studied in the previous classes, that is the complete real number. So तो हमारे पास जरूरत क्या पड़ी फिर हमें अब जब तक हमें 10th क्लास तक हमने सारा कुछ पढ़ लिया 10th क्लास तक हमने कर लिया कि रियल नंबर सिस्टम क्या होता है तो रियल नंबर हमने वो सारे नंबर बोल दिए जो कंप्लीट नंबर सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट करता है जिसमें कंप्लीट नंबर सिस्टम कंटेन करता है तो हमें नंबर सिस्टम को एक्सटेंड करने की जरूरत क्या पड़ेगी सो व्हाई वी हैव टू एक्सटेंड द नंबर सिस्टम सो इन फ्यू केसेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have studied a quadratic equation, that is the second or third chapter in the 10th class. So there are three conditions when we study the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So there are three basic conditions. First condition is when discriminant is greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, there are two conditions. First condition is roots are real and distinct. And second condition, when discriminant is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then what is the condition? Roots are same or real and same. But there is the third condition, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots does not exist. So we have to counter this problem. We have this problem that roots does not exist. What we have to do, we have to counter this problem and we have to find the solution of that particular condition if roots does not exist. Then what are the roots? So we have a quadratic equation like x square plus 1 is equal to 0. x square plus 1 is equal to 0. और इस तरह की क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना है इस तरह क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को रूट्स निकालने के लिए इनके लिए हम बोल देते हैं कि रूट्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट बट इफ देयर इन अ 10th क्लास सो फॉर काउंटर दिस इक्वेशन फॉर काउंटर दिस सिचुएशन वी हैव अ नेक्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर that we have a complex number. So in complex number first of all we have imaginary numbers. In before studying complex number first definition is a imaginary number. So what are the imaginary numbers? So basically imaginary number को हम किस तरह से डिफाइन करेंगे तो imaginary number को हमने बोला कि what are the imaginary numbers? It is basically the square root of a negative numbers. It is basically the square root of the negative numbers. So they are the under the root of -1, under the root of -2, under the root of -3. These are the imaginary numbers. What are these numbers? These are the imaginary numbers. The under root of the negative terms is called the imaginary numbers. Okay. And next come to the definition of the complex number. What are basically the complex numbers? What are actually complex numbers? अब हम definition बताएंगे. What is the definition actually? Definition is any number that is in the form of x plus iota y or a plus iota y is called the complex number. What are the complex number basically? Complex number are those number which is in the form of x plus iota y or a plus iota y are called the complex numbers. So iota was the sign first given by the Euler. Euler was the first scientist who gave the sign iota. And what are the a and b? हमने बोला कि z is equal to a plus iota b के बराबर and z is also equal to x plus iota y. Okay. So what are x and y and a and b? So x, y and a and b belongs to the real number. All these are the